Welcome back. Today we have the Huawei MatePad Mini, and today I'm going to show you how to install the WPS Office PC Level. By default, you will find this icon, the icon with a download sign at the bottom right corner in one of the pages here when you first turn it on. I have arranged to this folder, so my icon is here. So just click on this icon and you'll get all the agreement, agree stuff. So once you agree everything, you can just click on download. Okay, so as you can see, this one is actually inside the Huawei app gallery, so just install it. Okay, so if somehow your one is missing, you can actually just search for it inside Huawei app gallery. WPS Office. Oops, there's a typo here. WPS Office. Okay, it's actually the blue color icon. You can actually download this directly from app gallery if somehow your one is missing. So let's wait for it. Okay, finally it's done. Once you install already, if you go back to the folder here, now the download sign has been changed to the gear sign, so it's ready to be used. Alright, so just click on it, and then you have this end user license agreement, have to agree, then just go inside it, and now you have the WPS Office PC Level. Alright, so you can create Word document, PowerPoint, and spreadsheet. Okay, so this one is the PC interface. So you have all the familiar signs or familiar ribbon. Okay, so that's all for today. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.